In this video, I will show how to create clipping mask using multiple shapes in Adobe Illustrator. First, go to the rectangle tool, create a rectangle. Hold Alt key, copy the rectangle. Hold the Alt key, copy the rectangle, adjust the size. Now select all shapes. Go to object menu, then compound path, make. Go to file menu, select your image, file, place, select your image, adjust your image, right click on mouse, go to arrange, send to back, then select all shapes and image. Go to object menu, then clipping mask, make. Click on image, select image, adjust your image.